I am Mrs. Visalachi, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation High Secondary School, Namakkal. In this session, we are going to see 7th Standard GK, Chapter 23, Newspaper. Newspapers are an important source of information and entertainment, featuring topics such as current events, science, politics, arts, crime, and sports. Reporters and correspondents from across the country and world gather news and submit the reports to the city editor within a deadline. The news features are then edited by a team of sub editors. The editor takes an overall look at the news stories. The edit stories are then categorized to be used for various pages such as city, nation, sports, and cinema. The pages are laid out on a computer with the text, picture, and graphics. A phototype of the printed page is thus created. The plate pressed the image of the page into a rubber cylinder, which in turn presses it onto the paper that runs through the press. The large sheets of a printed newsprint move on to a machine called the folder, where the pages are cut individually and folded in order. The papers are stacked into bundles and loaded on a delivery trucks for distribution. Now we are going to discuss chapter 24, Voyage of Discovery. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, led the first expedition that circumnavigated the globe. Dr. David Livingstone was a Scottish missionary. His exploration of Africa led to the discovery of the Victoria Falls in 1855, which he named after the ruling British Queen. Captain James Cook was a British navigator who discovered the Hawaiian Islands. He was the first to establish an English settlement in Australia. Roald Amundsen was the great Norwegian explorer. He led the expedition that was the first to reach the South Pole on 14th December 1911. American explorer Robert Peary is considered the first person to reach the geographical North Pole on 6th April 1909. Last one of this lesson is the Portuguese explorer Bartolomeu Dias was the first European to sail around the Cape of Good Hope in Africa in 1488, thus opening the sea route to Asia was in the Indian Ocean. Now, chapter 25, South America. South America lies mainly in the southern hemisphere. It is broadly on the west by the Pacific Ocean and on the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. South America has 12 countries and 3 dependents. Brazil is the largest country while Suriname is the smallest country in South America. Sao Paulo in Brazil is the largest and most popular city in South America. Aconcagua is not only the highest peak in South America but also outside of Asia. The 6,570 kilometer long Amazon River is the largest river in the world by volume. The southmost city in the world is Usania, located on the Tierra del Fuego archipelago of Argentina. The land of eternal springs, Quinto in Ecuador is said to have the most pleasant climate in the world. Spain is the main language in most American countries. Portuguese is spoken only in the Brazil and Dutch in Suriname. The rainforests of South America are spread over 8 countries and 5.5 million square kilometers. The forest contained the planet's largest collection of plants and animals. Angels Falls in Venezuela is the highest waterfall in the world. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest desert in the world. The Angeles that stretched 7,000 kilometers along the western coast of South America is the longest mountain range in the world. Lake Titicaca, shared by the Bolivia and Peru, is the largest lake in South America. Venezuela, the capital of Caracas. Brazil, in South American country that is the world leading producer of coffee. Uruguay, the capital of Montevideo. Next, fourth one. Ecuador, named after the geographical line that runs through it. Genino Space Center, the major spacecraft launch center in South America. Now, sixth one. Rio de Janeiro has the famous Sugarloaf Mountain. La Paz is the highest capital city in the world. Ria is the flightless bird native to South America. Peru is the country that boasts of Machu Picchu, one of the wonders of the world. Now the last one, 10th one is Argentina, the tango dance originated. In this session, we discussed about newspapers, voyage of discovery, and South America. Thank you.